Sunday, August 31st, and it's the end of the day here. Just came out to check on Dad and see what's going on here, and he was priming the doors. As you can see, inside has been primed on this side, and the other one, it looks like it's primed as well. And he did some more bondoing here, and so he started the process of getting this done, and gonna have to move on to the inside. Yeah, just said he had a bunch of sanding he has to get done here, but did some priming on the outside too, but he's just getting it ready. And he it's hotter than sin outside right now, so Dad wants to work inside, and I think it's about plus 30. Okay, I'll go take a look. He's primed some other stuff outside, so we'll go take a look at that. I'm outside here, and he's got some of the side pieces, and it looks like this is probably for the rad. That's all been primed, and he's letting it bake in the hot sun right now. And so he moved that Muskeg Tractor yesterday, I think, back into the shop. I didn't come out. I was busy doing some other stuff. But he's utilizing the hot weather to let everything bake in the hot sun right now. There's almost zero chance of rain right now. But who knows? Could get a thunderstorm. It's just that kind of weather right now. So yeah, we'll go back into the shop and check in. So just back in the shop again. And more sanding obviously to do. Hopefully Aiden comes back here, but from what I understand, Aiden's out combining. He got tricked into combining.
What happened here is I had some that was ready to prime it.
Yeah.
And after I primed her, I had primer in the gun yet, so I thought, well, might as well use it here. You know, sand to finish up.
Okay. So a bunch of other stuff came off the Muskeg Tractor there as he was cleaning, and yeah, Aiden got tricked into combining. It's a couple other guys are out combining that we know, but I know one guy that said no, he's not doing that ever again. These days can be long, 16, 17, 18, 19 hours. You can't do it first thing in the morning because of the dew, but they go out and they just keep on do the combining. It's great weather for it. Problem is some of those guys don't want to pay you at the end, so the guys that know, and the guys that don't are out combining. Doesn't mean everybody's like that, but there are guys like that. So yeah, let's hope Aiden's getting paid. Probably helping out family though. So yeah, it's Dad's progressing here. Today or tomorrow is Labor Day, so another holiday, Dad said. He's not very impressed. So I completely forgot that it's Labor Day tomorrow. Almost went into work. Let's go check in with the animals. So there's Charles in charge, and Filipino Emily, and little Nina Pinta Santa Maria. Now it's my understanding the neighbors, they had a wedding tent set up for their friends or something. They had a big wedding yesterday. Dad said all the dogs came home with handkerchiefs around their necks. So even Yeti and Mila, where the wedding was happening, everybody came over here. It was too much activity.
What's going on? Your bum itchy? Hey?
Itchy bum. So yeah, these guys are on guard duty, minus handkerchiefs, post-wedding, and they're happy. Just trying to get some shade.
Comfortable, hey?
Are you comfortable,
Water.
old dog? You gonna spend the night in the shop?
Yeah, I have treats, everything's good.